Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you that the neural filter is not working in Photoshop. So for this you have to open the file that you are currently using. Then what you need to do is, here you can see if I click on the filter, all of the option here is blurred. That means we cannot use this, and the neural filter option should be showing here, but in my version that's not showing. So what you can do, the neural filter option is already will show here, but if that's not working, then you have to simply choose the layer, then you have to click on the filter, and here you can see all the option here are currently working. So you have to simply choose the neural filter option from here, and it will most likely to choose the neural filter option. But if for some reason if that's not also working, then what you can do is click on the help option from here and make sure that you have signed in to your own account. Here you can see that the sign in option is already here. You have to simply click on it, then you have to make sure that you have log into your account, and it will simply take you to the login page of my Photoshop, and you have to simply enter your email address and you have to simply sign it out. And again you have to come back to the Photoshop, then you have to click on the filter option from here, and here you will get the option of neural filter, and then you have to simply click on it, and it will most likely to fix the problem of neural filter is not working. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.